We're going to solve problems involving ratio, and we will use models to solve these problems. I have prepared six problems. Okay, starting from the easy problem going to the more challenging problems. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. Mr. Tom mixes 3 liters of yellow paint and 2 liters of blue paint with every 4 liters of white paint for a painting job. Okay, so in the first statement, we can draw the model for it. So yellow paint is 3 liters, so that means there's 3 models or 3 units. Okay, and for the blue paint is 2 liters. So that means 2 units. 1 and 2. Okay, and for the white paint, okay, it is 4 units, or 4 liters means 4 units. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's continue analyzing the problem. And then it says here, he uses a total of 63 liters of paint. Okay, for the painting job. So 63 liters, a total. Okay. Let's make it blue. So total of 63 liters. Okay. And then the question is, how much yellow paint does he use? So we're looking for this yellow paint. So this is a question mark. Okay, so if you can see, there are 63 liters, and the 63 liters is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units. So to get 1 unit, we have to divide 63 by 9. Okay, so our target is to get 1 unit first. So 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7. Okay, now, so 1 unit is 7. So that means this is 7. So for yellow, there are 3 units. So 3 times 7 is equal to 21. Okay, and then we're looking for the yellow. So how much yellow paint does he use? So the answer here, okay, 21 liters. Okay, so let's underline this one. Okay, very good. Okay, we have answered question or problem number 1. Let's proceed to problem number 2. Now, a wooden beam is blue, yellow, and green in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 4. Okay, now, so first statement, we can now draw the model. So for the blue, okay, 2 parts. 1, 2. Okay, next, for the yellow is 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now, and then the green one, okay, so we have how many? Green is 4. So 4 units. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now it says here that the yellow parts is 24 centimeters long. Okay, the yellow is 24 centimeters long. This yellow is 24 centimeters long. Okay, then the question is, we're looking for how long is the green part? Okay, how long is the green part? We're looking for this green part. Okay, now, so our target now here is to find out 1 unit. If you can see the yellow, it's given, and yellow is 24 centimeters made up of 3 units. Okay, so to get 1 unit, so 24, okay, divided by 3, which is equal to 8. Okay, we're looking for the green. How many green units? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, okay, units times 8, okay, because 1 unit is 8. 8. So therefore, 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, now we have the, how long is the green? So our answer here is, okay, 32 centimeters. Okay, that's the answer for question or problem number 2. Okay, let's proceed to problem number 3. Okay, now, a roll of paper was cut into 3 pieces in the ratio of 2 is to 4 is to 5. Yes, okay, so that's the first statement. So, first, one part is, okay, made up of 2 units. The next part made up of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and the last part is made up of 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now, then the next statement, the longest piece was 115 centimeters. So this longest, which is made up of 5 units, is 115 centimeters. Now, then we're looking for how long was the roll of paper. So we're looking for how much is this in all. Okay, so target again is to get 1 unit. And if you can see, the longest part is 115 centimeters made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in other words, to get 1 unit, we have 115 divided by 5 is equal to, okay, 23. Okay, 115 divided by 5 is 23. So every unit there is 23. Okay, 23. It's a unit. Okay, and how many units are there in all? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so there's 11 times 23 is equal to how much? Okay, let's multiply it here. So 23 times 11. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 0. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. So we have 3, 5, and 2. Okay. So we add together. So the answer is 253. Okay. Now, how long, okay, was the roll of paper? So the answer is 253 centimeters. Okay. Now, we have now the answer for problem number 3. Okay, now let's proceed to problem number 4. Okay, now it says here, Ben and Dan shared an amount of money in the ratio of 3 is to 5. Okay, so for Ben, how many parts? 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. And for Dan, it is 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now, then the next statement, it says, Dan had 123 more, $28 more than Ben. Okay, so this one is the more. Okay, and this one is $128. Okay, $128. Okay, then the question is, find the amount of money that the two boys have shared. So that means that if you can see, the 128 is made up of two units, 1, 2. So to get 1 unit, we have to divide 128 must be divided by 2. Okay, so 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so 64. So 1 unit is 64. Okay, and then we're looking to find the amount of money that the two boys shared. Okay, so we're looking for this in all. How much is that in all? Okay, then so 64. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that means that 8 units times 64 is equal to, okay, let's multiply here. 64 times 8. We have 32, regroup 3. 8 times 6 is 48. Okay, plus 3 is 51. Okay, so the answer is 512. Okay, now, okay, let's write the answer here. Okay, so find the amount of money that the two boys have shared. So the amount of money that the two boys have shared is, okay, 512 here. So $512. Okay, we have the answer for problem number 4. Okay, let's proceed now to problem number 5. Okay, it says here, the ratio of the length of the rectangle to its breadth is 5:3. So it's a rectangle, so the rectangle has the length and the width. Okay, and then next statement is, the length of the rectangle is 12 centimeter longer than the breadth. Okay, find the area of the rectangle. Okay, so we're looking for the area of the rectangle, but what we have to do, what we need is to find out the length and the width. Okay, so it's given that the length is 5, okay, units. So length here is 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, for the breadth, it is 3 units. 1, 2, and 3. And it says that the length of the rectangle is 12 centimeters longer. So this one is the longer. Okay, so okay, this part is 12 centimeters. Okay, and then the question is, find the area of the rectangle. So, okay, before going to the area, let's find out how long is the length. Okay, so to find out the length, we have to, first, we found out that 12 centimeters here is made up of two units. So to get 1 unit, we have to divide, okay, 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Okay, so in other words, every unit is 6 centimeters. So this is 6 centimeters here. Okay, now, so for the length, okay, if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it must be 5 units times 6 is equal to 30. So the length is 30 centimeters. Okay, this one is 30 centimeters. Okay, now the breadth. Okay, 1 unit is 6 centimeters. So how much is this in all? So we have 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 units times 6 is equal to 18. centimeters. Okay, so this is now 18 centimeters. Okay, so if I'm going to draw, okay, the rectangle here, okay, I'm going to color it, shade it with green. Okay, and you see that the length is 30 centimeters and the width is 18 centimeters. Okay, now remember when we find the area, we're looking for the area, and okay, the formula to find the area of a rectangle is area is equal to length times the width. If the length is 30 centimeters and the width is 18 centimeters, okay, if you multiply that together, okay, so 30 times 18 is, okay, 540, okay, square centimeters. Okay, so that is the area. Okay, so this is now our answer. Okay, this is our answer, the area of the rectangle. Okay, so our answer here is 540, okay, square centimeters. Okay, now we're now done with question number 5, and we are going to proceed to question number 6. Okay, for question number 6, okay, a bit challenging because this one is a combination of fraction and ratio. Okay, so let's see how we are going to solve this problem. So 5 out of 12, or 5/12 of a bundle of straws are white. Okay, so let's first draw the bundle of straws. Okay, it is made up of 12 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, there are 12 of them. Okay, now, then we have to show 5/12, okay, is for the white. Okay, I'll just color using, okay, this green for the white. So 5 out of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one is 5/12, and this is the white. Okay, now it says here, the next statement, the rest are blue and red. Okay, so for the remaining, it's for the blue and for the red. And it says here that the ratio of the number of blue straws to the number of the red straws, okay, is 4:3. Okay, so meaning to say that for the red, oh, no, no, for the blue, it's 4. Okay, I'll use this one, 4. Okay, and this one is, how much is okay, this one is for the blue. Okay. Okay, and the rest, okay, and then 3 for the red. Or, okay, color it, this one is red. Okay, and that one is for the red. Okay, now, it says in the next statement that there are 18 more white straws than red. So if you can see, the white is really more than the red. So white has how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the red is only 3. So the white is 2 more than the red. So if this one is the red, 1, 2, 3, okay, until here, this one is the, okay, 2 more, okay, and this 2 more, okay, is 18, okay, 18. Okay, now let's proceed to the last statement. Find the total number of the straws in the bundle. So we're looking for the total in all. Okay, and this is the question mark. Okay, now, so it's very easy now because, okay, target again is to get 1 unit. And we can see that 18 there is made up of 2 units. 1, 2. So that means that to get 1 unit, 18 must be divided by 2, which is equal to 9. So 1 unit there is 9. And there are how many units in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, okay, times 9 is equal to 108. Okay, we have the answer now. So let's go to the answer. It says here, find the total number of straws in the bundle. So, okay, the total number of straws, okay, is 108. Okay, full stop. Let's highlight this one. Our answer. Okay, so that's it. We have solved 6 problems involving ratios.